Oh no, it's too late for my daughter to go to school. The time is 8 a.m. I have to wake up my daughter. Sarada, what are you doing? It's too late for you to go to school.
Cool, Mom. I am already wake up and I am ready now.
Okay. Come and get your breakfast and go soon.
Okay, Ma. You go. I will come. Okay, Ma. I will go now. My students were waiting for my arrival.
Okay, ma. Take care. Bye.
Good morning, students.
Good morning, ma'am.
Shall we start the attendance, Maha?
Present, ma'am.
Siva? Where is Siva? Maha, he is absent today.
I don't know, ma'am.
May I come in, ma'am?
Come in. Why are you late, Siva?
I woke late today, ma'am.
What, Siva? Don't say silly reasons. This is the last excuse. Take your seat.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, students. Shall we start our class?
Okay, ma'am.
Today we see about one general topic, and the topic is Taj Mahal.
Where is Taj Mahal, ma'am?
It is in Agra.
Where is Agra, ma'am?
It is near Delhi.
Where is Delhi, ma'am?
It's in our India.
Siva, why are you asking so many questions?
I know all, Maha. She is our teacher. She has to told all our questions.
But Siva...
Okay, leave him, Maha. I am your teacher. I has to answer your all questions. Okay, Siva, you ask.
Where is India, ma'am?
Siva, why are you asking like this silly questions?
Ma'am, you are my teacher. You have to answer my all questions. Otherwise, I complain to my father.
Why, Siva, you talking like this?
Ma'am, I think you didn't know the answers of my questions.
Siva, I know the answers of your questions, but you are irritating me with your silly questions.
No, ma'am, you don't know the answers of my questions. That is true.
Siva, get out of my class.
Ma'am, why can I go outside? There is no mistake in me. I just ask my questions.
Siva, I am your teacher. Do what I say.
Okay, ma'am, but...
Siva, don't speak against me. Go outside. Okay, students, we continue our class. Okay, students, today the class is over. We meet tomorrow. Thank you, students.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, Siva, this punishment is enough for you. And in our words, you don't ask unexpected and irritating questions. Okay? Okay, now you go to your home.
No, ma'am, I can't go. I come with my father tomorrow. Then you will see.
Okay, stay here. Bye. I'm back, Mom.
Welcome back, Sarada. Go and fresh up and take your dinner.
Okay, Mom.
Sarada, why are you so tired? And what do you thought about?
Nothing, Mom.
I know about you. There is something happened today. Say, what's that?
Mom, today... Siva, get out of my class.
No, ma'am, I can't go. I come with my father tomorrow. Then you will see.
This only happens, Mom. Mom, I had fear about only one thing.
What's that, Sarada?
Mom, my student Siva told that he comes with his father tomorrow.
Okay, but why can you fear about that?
Because he is an IPS officer.
Okay, Sarada, there is no mistake in you. You just do your job.
Okay, ma'am.
Sarada, mind one thing. If there is a mistake in us, we thought and fear about that. But if no mistake in us, we don't fear about anyone. Mind it.
Okay, ma'am. Thanks for your advice.
Okay, Sarada, go and sleep well without guessing anything.
Okay, ma'am. Good night.
Okay, ma. Good night. Sweet dreams.
Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning, ma. Good you sleep well?
Yes, ma'am. This is the time to go to school. Bye.
Okay, ma. Take care. Don't worry about anything. Bye.
Good morning, students. Good morning, ma'am. Okay, Maha. Where is Siva?
I don't know, ma'am. May I come in, ma'am?
Come in, Siva. Get your seat.
Okay, ma'am. First of all, you have to see one member.
Who is that?
My father. May I come in, madam?
Yes, come in, sir.
I need to talk to you alone, ma'am.
Okay, sir. Students, I come in just a minute, so be silent and study. What, sir? Now you say.
Why did you send my son out?
Sir, because your son asks unnecessary questions to me.
What the? No, pa. I ask lesson-oriented questions only. Ma'am, you have to answer students' questions. That is your job.
But sir, he asked questions he already know, but he asked again to irritate me.
No, ma'am, your reasons are not correct. Ma'am, you are a simple poor teacher. Don't speak against me. Again you did like this, I will ashamed you in front of all teachers and students in the school. Mind it. Wow, super dream. I want to happen this today. Jolly.
Okay, mom, I go to school. Bye.
Okay, Sarada. Bye. Take care.
Good morning, students.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Siva, you are reached the school on time today.
Yes, ma'am, and I was very happy today.
What is the reason for your happiness, Siva?
Nothing, ma'am. You will see in future for my happiness.
Okay. Students, shall we start our class?
May I come in, ma'am?
Yes, come in, sir.
I am a dad of Siva.
Okay, sir.
Why did you send my son out?
Sir, because he asked unnecessary questions to me.
Ma'am, you have to answer students' questions. That is your job.
But sir, he asked questions he already know, but he asked another time to irritate me.
Ma'am, your reasons are not correct.
Sir, you didn't believe me means ask to other students.
Yes, sir. Siva asked unnecessary questions. Okay. I am an IPS officer. You are just a teacher. This is the last time. In our words, you don't send my son out.
What are you talking, sir? Mistake takes place in your son. You have to say these words to your son only, not me. Sir, school is the first step for the student's discipline. So I just do my job to make your son to go in the good way.
Ma'am, but...
Wait, sir, just to hear my words. Sir, obedience make a person perfect. Obedience is only of the person's age, not for the person's position. Sir, now you are an IPS officer. You tried hard to come in this position. I also tried hard to come in this teacher position. You already know, sir, hard work never fails.
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, I am a teacher. Teaching is not only my job. I have to make each student a good goal. So I have to do my job like sir.
Okay, ma'am, you are correct. Sorry for my mistake, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am. I can't do like this, ma'am. In our words, I give obedience to all elders.
Okay, thank you, Siva. Good.
Okay, ma'am. Now I go. You continue your class, ma'am.
Okay, sir.
Bye, Siva. Go and take your seat. In our words, give respect to your teachers. Dear Dad, bye.
Okay, students, we continue our class.
Ma'am, one doubt, ma'am.
Say, Maha.
Ma'am, you are very bold. How is this possible, ma'am?
Why are you asking this, Maha?
Ma'am, my mother said girls are always calm, so she told me to be calm always.
Maha, your mom's words are correct. But if any problem comes, we have to face it. Don't cry and calm.
Okay, ma'am.
First, I also fear about it. But my mom's words made me to do like this.
Which words, ma'am?
If there is a mistake in us, we thought and fear about it. But if no mistake in us, we don't fear about anyone. We have to face it. This is the words.
Okay, ma'am. Siva, today class is nice, you know? Yes, Maha. In today's class, I know some good news. Yes, Siva. Our teacher taught a good lesson. I liked it well, Siva. I also, Maha. Siva, I also want to become a honest and bold teacher. Okay, nice ambition, Maha. Siva, we always went home in another way, but why we go through this forest way today? Yes, Maha, I heard about a news that this forest is very beautiful, so I wanted to show this to you, so we go home through this way. Really, Siva? Thank you. Come on, we go. Okay, Siva. Hello, kids, stop. Who are you, sir? Hello, kid. I am a wanted thief. What? Thief? Yes, girl. Both of your kids take the money from you. We have no money, sir. Why are you afraid, Maha? Don't be afraid. Kids, say your parents' name. Sir, my father's name is... Stop, Maha. Why are you saying your father's name? Don't afraid, Maha. Remember our teacher's words. Ma'am, my mother said girls are always calm, so she told me to be calm always.
Maha, your mom's words are correct. But if any problem comes, we have to face it. Don't cry and calm.
Okay, ma'am. Hello, boy. Don't talk like a hero. You are just a kid. I am always a hero, thief. Shut up, boy. Say, who is your father? Raja IPS. What? Raja IPS? Do you know my father? I know, boy, I know. I went jail past many times because of your father. I confirmly know one thing, sir. What, boy? In your student life, you didn't give respect to your teachers and elders. Why? How did you say this? Sir, my teacher said...
School is the first step for the students' discipline. So I just do my job to make your son to go in the good way. Wait, sir, just hear my words. Sir, obedience make a person perfect. Obedience is only of the person's age, not for the person's position.
I also like first you, sir, but my Sarada teacher had changed my life and go in a right way. Sir, in our words, there is no mistake. You have to change your life and go in a good way.
Yes, sir. Please you change your mind.
Sorry, kids. Please forgive me. In other words, I work hard to earn money. I leave this thief work now. Good, super, sir. What's your name, kids? My name is Siva, sir.
My name is Maha, sir.
Siva and Maha, you both are kids, but today you learned me a good lesson. It's okay, sir. It's all go to our Sarada ma'am. Bye. Okay, kids. Go home safe. Bye, sir.
Bye, sir. Siva, today is unforgettable day for me.
Yes, Maha. We have changed one member's life today.
Yes, Siva.
Maha, today you come to my home. I wanted to show my home to you.
Okay, Siva. I asked a permission to my father and mother. Then I will came.
Okay, Maha. I will waiting for you in my home.
Okay, Siva. Bye. Mom, Dad, I will come. Welcome home, Maha. Your dad isn't come. Okay, Ma. Maha, why are you late today? Sorry, Ma. Today I come through forest way. Why, Ma? I already told you that this forest is very danger. Cool, Ma. I come with my friend Siva. Okay, but I want your safety first. Okay, Mom.
I am back, Venba.
Welcome home, Sakti. Sakti, see your doctor.
What, Venba? Maha is good.
Sakti?
Okay, Venba. Okay. Say, what happened?
Today your doctor come through the forest.
Venba, it is not a problem. Why are you making this small problem into big problem?
Always you support to your doctor.
Venba.
Mom.
Okay. Leave her, Maha. After some time, she leave her angry.
Okay, Dad.
Come, Maha. We sit and talk. Maha, how is the class today?
Nice, Dad. Today class is very interesting. My teacher teached a good lesson for Siva.
What? Siva? What happened?
Dad, this problem started yesterday onwards. Siva asked irritating questions to my Sarada ma'am.
What questions, Maha?
Today we see about on general topic, and the topic is Taj Mahal.
Where is Taj Mahal, ma'am?
It is in Agra.
Where is Agra, ma'am?
It is near Delhi.
Where is Delhi, ma'am?
It's in our India.
Where is India, ma'am? Okay.
Siva's home.
I am back, mom.
Welcome, Siva.
Where is dad, mom?
Raja is in his room.
Okay, mom. I want to see him.
Siva, first fresh up and come, go.
First, I want to see my dad. Wait, mom, please.
Siva.
Dad, I am back. Come, Siva. How is the class today after my arrival? Nice, Dad. Siva, please wait 1 minute. I finish the work and come. Okay, Dad. Dad, today when I return home, one thing happened. What, Siva? Dad, do you know Kadir? Which Kadir? A criminal who was released from jail a few days ago. How did you know that? Say, what happened? What did he do you? Dad, don't be afraid. Say, what happened? Hello, kids, stop. Who are you, sir? Hello, kid. I am a wanted thief.
What? Thief?
Yes, girl. Both of your kids take the money from you.
We have no money, sir.
What? He started his criminal work again? I send the police and catch him. Wait, Dad, wait. Hear what happened fully. Okay, say. I also like first year, sir, but my Sarada teacher had changed my life and go in a right way. Sir, in our words, there is no mistake. You have to change your life and go in a good way.
Yes, sir. Please, you change your mind.
Sorry, kids. Please forgive me. In our words, I work hard to earn money. I leave this thief work now. Good, super, sir. Good, Siva, good. I am proud of you. You done a good thing today. Thank you, Dad.
Maha's home.
Say, Maha, then what happened?
Dad, my teacher replied the answers of Siva, but at one time she becomes very angry and send him out.
Mistake takes place in your son. You have to say these words to your son only, not me. Sir, school is the first step for the student's discipline. So I just do my job to make your son to go in the good way.
Ma'am, but...
Wait, sir, just to hear my words. Sir, obedience make a person perfect. Obedience is only of the person's age, not for the person's position. Sir, now you are an IPS officer. You tried hard to come in this position. I also tried hard to come in this teacher position. You already know, sir, hard work never fails.
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, I am a teacher. Teaching is not only my job. I have to make each student a good goal. So I have to do my job like sir.
Okay, ma'am. You are correct. Sorry for my mistake, ma'am. Your teacher is correct, Maha. You are proud because you had a great teacher.
Yes, Dad. Maha, what are you doing here? Go and fresh up first. Okay, Ma, I go. Wait. Okay, go first. My mother always scolded me. Okay, I fresh up first.
Come, Venba. Come and sit here.
I had a work in the kitchen, Sakti.
Come, Venba.
Say, what, Sakti?
Venba, are you angry with me?
No, Sakti, but I say good to Maha.
I know, Venba, but you has to believe our doctor. She is a brave girl.
Okay, Sakti, but she is a girl, not a boy. She did not jump over the line for girls.
Stop, Venba. Stop your superstitions. I know. My doctor gave me a proud one day.
Okay, Sakti, okay. Don't be angry. Sorry, Sakti. In our words, I did not scold our doctor. I give love only.
Good, Venba.
Siva's home.
Siva, go and fresh up first. You didn't hear my words.
Okay, Mom, I go. My mom didn't hear my words. What can I do? Okay, I fresh up first.
How is the class today, Siva?
Nice, Mom.
Oh, okay, Siva.
Mom, my classmate Maha, today she has to visit our house.
Oh, Maha? Okay.
Yes, Mom.
What for, Siva?
I has to show our house to Maha, so I asked her to visit our house.
Okay, Siva.
Maha's home.
Hello, Mom. I fresh up and come. Come, my dear. How is the class today? Nice, Mom. But on the way, I saw one thief. What? Thief? What did he do you? Come, sit and say. Don't afraid, Mom. Siva and me made him to realize his mistake. Good, Ma. I am proud of you. Mom, I thought that when I told this to you, you scolded me, but you praised me. What happened, Ma? Nothing, Maha. Okay, Ma. Mom, I has to told one thing to you. Say, Maha, why are you here? Mom, my friend Siva had visited me to his house. Will you allow me, Mom? Okay, Maha, you go. Why are you fear about it? It's just a small matter. Mom, mind one thing, Ma. You are my doctor. I know you. Go and take the permission of your father and go. Thank you, Mom. Okay, Maha, go safe and come. I had you work in the kitchen. Bye. Bye, Ma. Dad, can I go to Siva's house? He visited me to his house.
Okay, Maha, go safe and come before 7 p.m. Mind it.
Thank you, Dad.
Shiva's home.
Hello, excuse me, Auntie. Who's it? Auntie, my name is... Wait, you are Maha? Yes, Auntie, it's me. Come inside, Maha. Where is Siva, Auntie? He is in his room, Maha. Come, sit and wait here. I go and take him here. Siva, Maha was arrived our house.
Okay, Mom, I come. Hello, Maha.
Hi, Siva.
How is our house, Maha?
Super, Siva. What a beautiful house.
Thank you, Maha.
Maha, do you have coffee or tea? It's okay, Auntie. I don't want anything. No, Maha. You come to our house first time. You have to drink anyone. Please say what you want. Okay, Auntie. Coffee, please. Okay, wait. I will come just a minute. Okay, Auntie. Siva, did you tell anything about the thief to your parents?
Yes, Maha, I told everything to my father.
What he said, Siva?
First, he became very angry about that thief, but he heard fully. He was proud of me.
Yes, Siva. When my mother heard this news, she also became very proud.
Really, Maha? Happy to hear that.
Yes, Siva. All parents wishes only one thing.
What, Maha?
They had only one thing, that their child gives their proud only. We both give them proud.
Yes, Maha. Maha, go and see our house. I will come just a minute.
Okay, Siva. May I come, Uncle?
Who is that?
Uncle!
Maha, why are you come here?
Uncle, Siva says to see his house only, so I come here.
What, Siva? Shut up, girl. I am angry with you.
What I had do, Uncle?
You don't know? Remember.
You didn't believe me means ask to other students.
Yes, sir. Siva asked unnecessary questions.
Okay. I did not forget that incident. You ashamed me in front of all students.
Uncle, I just answered my teacher's question.
Shut up, girl. Don't call me uncle. Say me sir. Get out from here.
Okay, Uncle.
Maga, why are you crying? It's just for fun.
What? Maha, why are you crying? What happened? Auntie, Uncle. Uncle, what he say?
Devi, I just speak for funny, but Maha cried.
What fun? What you say?
I say Maha to get out from here, and I say that I hate you.
What? Why, Raja? Maha is a sensitive girl.
Okay. I just do for fun, Maha. Sorry.
It's okay, uncle.
Sarada, what are you doing?
Mom, I'm studying for teach my students tomorrow.
Okay, you study. First of all, come and eat dinner.
Okay, Mom, I will come in few minutes. Mom, I want to tell you one thing.
What, Sarada? Say.
Mom, I have to study more to improve my job.
What? Why are you take this decision, Sarada?
Mom, one thing changed my mind that Siva's father say me just a teacher. But I know I am a teacher. But I have to go up.
Okay.
So I want to study more and I want to improve my job's position, Mom.
Sarada, I know you are brilliant and hard work person. One day, surely you have to go up.
Thanks a lot, Mom.
Okay, Siva, I have to go now. The time is 6:30 p.m. My father told that I must come before 7 p.m. So I have to go now. Bye.
Okay, Maha. Bye. Don't mind the matter happened in our house. Bye.
Okay, Siva, I forgot it. Today I happily play with you. Bye. We see tomorrow in our school.
Okay, Maha. Bye.
Hi, Siva. Good morning.
Good morning, Maha.
Did you finish your homework, Siva?
Yes, Maha. Done. Come and sit.
Okay, Siva. Siva, where is our Sarada ma'am? Is she late today? Always she come early. What happened to her?
I don't know, Maha. I also thinking about that.
Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, students. Today I am your substitute teacher.
What? Substitute teacher? What happened to our ma'am?
I don't know, boy. Today she is late.
Okay, Siva. Today class is over. Today I have to go our ma'am's house and know what happened to her.
Okay, Maha. I also come with you.
Can I come inside, ma'am?
Who is there?
Ma'am, we are Maha and Siva.
Oh, you too. What a surprise.
Ma'am, what happened to you, ma'am? Why you didn't come to school today?
Today I have small cold and cough.
Oh, okay, ma'am. We miss you today, ma'am.
Oh, you miss me today. If I resign this job, what do you do, students?
What, ma'am? What happened?
Why, ma'am? Why does you resign?
Maha, Siva, don't worry. I just resigned my job for few months.
But why, ma'am?
Because I want to study more and to improve my job.
But now, why this, ma'am?
Because of your father, Siva.
What? Because of my father? How, auntie?
Okay. I am an IPS officer. You are just a teacher. This is the last time. In our words, you don't send my son out.
What are you talking, sir? Mistake takes place in your son. You have to say these words to your son only, not me.
Oh,
So only Sarada take this decision.
Mom, stop it. Go and take coffee for them.
Okay, Sarada.
Okay. First of all, come and sit, students.
ma'am, sorry, ma'am. My father's words hurts you. Please forgive us, ma'am.
Maha, if you don't mind, please help my mom to take coffee here.
Okay, ma'am.
Siva, don't cry. I don't feel about you and your father. Siva, do you know you are my favorite student? So I try you to go in a good way.
Sorry, ma'am. I and my father says you more words to hurt you, but you.
Siva, don't cry. Please listen my words.
Okay, ma'am.
Siva, I forgot the words that happened that day, so don't feel.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. You must come to our school soon.
Okay, Siva. Siva, Maha, you both has to go to your home now because your parents fear about you.
Okay, ma'am. Bye. Take care.
Okay, ma'am. Bye. Take care.
Siva, don't feel about my words. I just say them because of the love of my daughter.
Okay, auntie. Bye. Take care.
I am back.
Come, Maha. How is the class today?
Nice, Dad. Come, Maha. Are you seen tired? No, Mom. I am brisk. Okay. Fresh up and come eat dinner. Okay, Mom.
I am back, Mom.
Come, Siva, come.
Come, Siva. Welcome back. Dad, my Sarada ma'am resigned her job. What? Why, Siva? Dad, on that day you say you are just a teacher. That words made her to take this decision. Oh no, I say these words in angry.
Don't feel, Dad. My mom study more and she wants to improve her job. She soon come back.
Okay, Siva.
After few years.
Sarada, are you ready for your new work?
Yes, Mom.
Say, what's your new work?
Now I am the headmaster of my school.
Oh, what is surprise? I am very happy now, Sarada.
Okay, Mom.
Sarada, the fruit of effective success is proved in your life. I'm proud of you.
Oh, okay, Mom. Bye. I see you in the evening.
Okay, bye, Sarada.
In the school.
Now I has to send this note to our headmaster. I am very fear to see her because she is new today. May I come in, ma'am?
Yes, come in.
Ma'am, Sarada ma'am, you come back. I am very happy now. You are our new headmaster. I never believed this incident.
Maha, you are very happy, I think.
Ma'am, please wait just a minute. I come with Siva.
Okay, Maha.
Siva, where are you, Siva?
I am here, Maha. What happened?
Siva, do you know who is our new headmaster?
I don't know, Maha. Who is that?
Our Sarada ma'am.
What? Sarada ma'am? Come, Maha. We meet her immediately.
Come, Siva.
May I come in, ma'am?
Come in, Siva and Maha.
Thanks for coming back, ma'am.
Oh, Siva. Siva and Maha, I talk one thing to you that say by my mom.
What, ma'am?
Maha, it's mainly for you. Do you know what is meant by the fruit of success?
We don't know, ma'am.
Okay, I say, students, the fruit is just a word. If we work hard, one day we get success. The success is referred to a fruit. Do you understood?
Yes, ma'am, I understand.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, students, you go to your class. We speak after some time.
Okay, ma'am. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Bye, students.